Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Stowaway Gourmet. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of different items and bundles. Again, Stowaway Gourmet. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we get this open. This is, I believe, delivery number 2 of 3. So we already have another video on the first box. So if you make a certain type of order that consists of certain items, it may take some time to get those if they're in the production pipeline, so to speak. So you may have to wait a little bit, but so far so good. Alright, I do believe the sticker is a manifest, so yep, got part of the emergency supply kit, and this is 8 of the following. I guess we're going to find out. So they did say something about a ratio of entree to breakfast items. These appear to be the breakfast items. And let's see, we got spiced creamy oatmeal with pear. Sounds yummy. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Next up, the next layer, berry yogurt parfait. Right. Let's make some room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next up, last but not least, we have MISO salmon OKAYU. Closer look at these after we count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So total of 24 pouches. Let's look backwards here. So we got Japanese breakfast of salmon, tofu, vegetables, and rice in a miso broth. 25 grams protein, 435 calories. Again, back. Freeze dried, vacuum sealed, so that's why a little bit hard to read the label. Let's see if we can find a flatter one. Oh, that's better. Let's read through these real quick. So, pretty basic ingredients there. Middle item was the berry yogurt parfait, granola paired with Greek yogurt, strawberries, and blueberries. 28 grams of protein, 664 calories. Nutrition breakdown, ingredients, crustaceans. Let's see what else. Basic directions, contact info. Alright, the first item we saw was the spiced creamy oatmeal. Steel cut oats and pears in an aromatic spiced coconut cream. Ooh. And that would be 12 grams of protein, 588 calories. So not as much protein as the others, but you can see the ingredients there. And the directions. So basically you add boiling water into the pouch, seal, wait for 10 minutes, and then after after stirring, after adding the water, and then after 10 minutes, this is ready to eat. So, recap. We have 24 pouches here, Stowaway Gourmet, MISO Salmon OKAYU, Berry Yogurt Parfait, Spice Creamy Oatmeal with PEAR. So again, Stowaway Gourmet, feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics, as well as a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.